Alright, so today we are going to run some errands, go buy some Costco stuff, and then go to... Where are we going? Oh, to Joanna's farewell party. Oh yeah, there's our neighbor baby's having a birthday party, so we'll take you there and hopefully it'll be fun.
It's good. Thank you. Bring what? Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Looks good.
This is a torta.
You already memorized it?
Are you eat it or what? Do you want a fork?
I just wonder if like it's the same question.
Nearly dropped my thing.
Instead.
Alright, let's go.
Big luggage and small carry-on and a backpack, and then there's a one box gonna set it over there. Actually, not everything. I don't bring my winter clothes.
No, it's not coming in the garage.
I thought gonna be fit. Actually not. Not so sure about the weight. Not measured yet.
I want to eat this really badly right now.
Just have one.
I'll wait.
So if all five got killed, gives over to the bad people win. I'm just kidding. Alright, close your eyes. Alright, Wolves, open your eyes.
He looks so out of it.
I think he ate too much.
It's like out of it.
I make eye contact with him and he looks so disappointed.
Huh?
Disappointed that it was a peaceful night. No one died.
Alright, guys ready to vote? Okay, 3, 2, 1. No vote.
Oh, damn, it's 1-1.